friends, let's talk about the heart chakra. If you've been following along, you know that we have already dived deep into the lower three energy centers: the root, safety and security, stability, groundedness, the sacral, where there's movement and flow, and that element of water that just sort of allows us to give and take in our interpersonal relationships, our creativity. And then we moved up into the solar plexus, where we had that pit of the stomach, absolute truth, decision making, confidence, fire in our belly. Well, we move up one more to probably one of the most important, probably the most talked about energy centers, but the heart chakra. This is the place that's the bridge between the lower three and the upper three. The lower three, if you remember, are very much human based, very experiential in our human life of living, interacting, building lives, careers, families, where we fit into the world. And the upper three are more ethereal. Like how do we navigate some of the nuances of our spirit, our connection to oneness? And we'll get there. But for today, we pause. It's like we take a breath, literally. Physically, this energy center is in the chest, lungs, chest area, all the muscles around the chest, our thoracic spine in the back. So when this one is struggling, we have a tendency to collapse here. We want to hide our heart. We don't want to reveal our heart. We want to protect it. We want to be guarded. And we struggle. We have a lot of tension in our upper back. We might have some issues in the cardiac area, in the breast tissue. We might have some things going on there where we're not able to take full breaths. Maybe we have chronic, just respiratory sludge. Might be worth looking at some of this information about the heart chakra. This is the one where it's all about love. Love for ourselves, love for other people, love for the world, for plants, for animals, for one. The element for this one is air. Take a breath. When we feel that consuming feeling of being so in love, it's like, oh, I'm so full. And when our heart is shattered, we feel so crushed, right? And that can be in a romantic love or just, wow, I feel so much love. We feel full. And then when we don't feel that, we feel so empty and shallow and sunk. Okay. So air is so important when we think about this energy center. The fullness that we experience is heart stuff, it is all heart. The color that is associated with the heart chakra is green. And I love that because if you look around in nature, there is green in every shade, everywhere you look, which is a reminder of simply love. It's everywhere. Green is everywhere. Love is everywhere. When this one is out of balance, you might even have some feelings of intense jealousy, intense neediness, intense codependency. You have to be validated, you have to be seen, you have to be loved. All this external stuff, like you're just grasping for love. Or you could also be empty, void, like apathetic, don't care, self-hatred, lots of inner narrative that's not nice. We can also be extremely judgmental when we're not coming from a place of love. We have our opinions about everybody else's life, and so we blast those opinions. We're not living in love when we do that. We're living in up here, judgment. We're not living in love. Okay, so the element is air, the color is green. The affirmation for this fourth energy center, Anahata chakra, is I love. Simply, I love. Essential oils that are going to help open, balance, regulate this energy center is anything that is going to help you take that breath. The laurel leaves, the eucalyptus, the mints, something that's going to open you up. Okay. Also, another one that is amazing for the heart is rose. And rose really taps into that divine feminine energy, which is the even numbered energy centers. So, sacral, heart, Rose is known as the divine mother oil. It's just pure love. It vibrates at the highest frequency of any plant that's ever been measured. And so rose comes in high, high, high in terms of lifting energy. So I like to open my heart literally with some yoga poses that are back bends to crack open this area that sometimes we spend guarded or protecting. If we do a lot of work that's here, kind of rounded over. So I love to do back bends in my yoga practice or lay on a bolster and just allow my heart to open. And then crystals that I love for the heart chakra are absolutely rose quartz. It's an amazing, beautiful, pinkish, milky, amazing quartz crystal. You can put that directly in your undergarment if you're a female. If you're a male, slipping it into your pocket is great. Just having it available. I often have rose quartz throughout my house. And if I'm just feeling a little bit off, a little bit judgy, a little bit fearful, a little bit like scattered, and I'm not finding myself pausing, I'll just grab the rose quartz, maybe lay it on my chest while I'm reading or just hanging out journaling or working on my planner. And then I like to sleep with rose quartz near me just to infuse some of that continual vibration of love. And then the other one that I love, love, love for the heart chakra is green aventurine. It's this beautiful palish green gemstone that's also represents love, but also luck. And I feel like to be tuned into the color green, where there's love everywhere and a little bit of that luck. Doesn't mean that we go out into the world like just thinking we're going to get lucky, because it's not that kind of luck, but it's just like having a playfulness about you and having a playfulness about how you love people. Is it always so heavy and serious, or can you just simply love? Can you just be almost just playful in your love? The fourth chakra asks us again to just pause, just be in this bridge between the two, where there's absolutely nothing but love. And how amazing would it be to carry yourself from the heart chakra, where you go into situations, relationships, people, work life, all the human stuff, and you're just doing it through the lens of love. You see the good in all, you see the potential in all, you love all. There's not that, well, I don't love this person because, it's just love. And when you do that, not only will the world change, but you will change along with it. And it's pretty amazing. So, element is air, color is green. It's where we stop, we take a breath, we open. Essential oils are anything that's going to open up that respiratory, and also most of the florals, geraniums, rose, ylang ylang, all of those divine loving energy. Okay, that's what I got for the heart chakra. Keep hanging with me. We're going to do the upper three next, and then we're going to put them all together in one beautiful, juicy discussion. All right, I'll see you later. Take care. Go love somebody. Bye.